Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to go over something that's been nagging a lot of viewers and subscribers. They've been saying, Keith, I'm getting this message on my cluster that my auto light module is inoperative, visit workshop. And what this means is that if you're driving down the road and it starts to rain, your windshield wipers won't automatically turn on. You have to manually turn them on. If you're driving in the daytime, you go into a tunnel and it's dark, your low beams won't automatically turn on for you. You have to manually turn those on as well. Pain in the butt. You get this message at startup, it's nagging and doesn't stop these systems, your headlights and your windshield wipers from functioning. What it does make you do, you have to turn them on manually and turn them off, on, off. Pain in the butt. So I'm going to show you how to locate the module, remove it, install a new one, and best of all, you're saving tons of money. Mercedes charges a lot of money for this procedure. I'm going to show you how to do it for free. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and everything in the video, parts, and tools are in the description below. So click on those links if you need anything else. Just let me know. Let's get started. Assuming that you've already cleaned the exterior windshield with the sensor lights and that doesn't work, we'll then have to go and replace the sensor itself. Let's get started with that. This sensor is mounted at the top of the windshield, right in front of the rear view mirror. You don't want to scratch up your windshield wiper, and you also don't want to break any of the plastic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use one of my cards. I'm going to slide it in here, and I'm going to slide it in and push. And when I'm sliding and pushing, I'm also squeezing, and I slide off the plastic piece just like that. It's that simple. Once that's off, getting a closer view, I'm going to then come around here, and on the W164, the part number is right there, 164-820-9026. That's the light sensing module. All right. So I'm going to move the rear view mirror out of the way a little bit. To replace this module, we will slide off this electrical fitting right here. That's step one. So once you've unplugged the power cable, the reading sensor here on your sensor switch, the next thing to do is to take this module off. And this module is stuck on with adhesive. In my case, my module is 100% working. So I'm not gonna take it off. I've shown you where the difficult part is, but we would just take plastic tool and pry it off. It's stuck on with double-sided sticky, and you'd pry this off, put on the new module, making sure that the sensor connector, electrical connection, is faced up, just like in this case, and with your ignition turned off. It must be turned off. You will then reconnect the power. Just turned off the ignition. So I'm going to go ahead and reconnect the power now. Take care not to bend any of the pins on the new module. Once that's in place, we'll then take our plastic cover, and this plastic cover has little pieces of rubber. I want to call them suction protectors. They don't really suck the glass, but they keep the plastic from vibrating against the glass. And we're gonna go ahead and slide this back into position. This notch, this module, this cutout right here goes against the rearview mirror hub. These notches here slide inside that and connect up into here, and this metal plate, two metal plates that's covered in some kind of felt. So I'm going to take this plastic cover and slide it up in here. Simple as that. Adjust your rear view mirror. The test thereafter is to put your windshield wiper on auto, and if there's any rain that's detected and it's raining today, it will, once there's enough buildup, will automatically turn, and there we go. Same thing with your lights. If it's dark, it will turn on your headlights automatically, usually at dusk or when you're going into a tunnel. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. Thanks and peace out.